Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign in the Lightroom app on your mobile phone. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, find the Lightroom app on your home screen. Now open it. And if you don't have it, then you can simply download it from the App Store. Now tap onto the skip button right here. Now here you can find the option of sign in with these accounts. Now choose one account that you want to sign in. Then tap on to continue. Now the app is processing your sign in like this. Now again tap on to sign in button right here. And then tap on to no, I do not have an existing account. Next you have to add your month and year of your birthday. Just like this. And tap on to please don't contact me and then create account. Wait for a few seconds and your account will be created. Now tap on to continue. Now you can see the account has been created. Now you can edit your photos. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.